Oh, yeah. They're these are pretty resource intensive. These applications. Okay. Now I want to check to see if my player collides. What? Okay. Okay. Now I want to see if it collides with this up here. Then I want to add more to my score. So this object here was my winner's prize, and I have a check for win. Okay, so if I come over here, um, I could actually probably steal this code because I'm gonna reuse that. Check for win, and I didn't put anything here. It's interesting. Now, in theory, nothing should collide with it except for the player, because I don't think those balls can go up the stairs currently. I'm not sure why. Probably has to do with rigid bodies and so forth. Um, so I don't think I even need to check to see if it's a player. Just if it collides up here, then we won. But I'm going to paste in my code. I'm going to come in here and bring in the code for the user interface. And CG was a game object, T1 was a text. Game object, G, text is T1. And I guess I'll add on 1,000 points if you win the game there. And let's save that. Okay, so let's run this now. It says 1,000 to begin with. That's not good. Guess I better check to see if it collided with the player. See if I get another 1,000. Okay. Yeah, and it collides a lot of different things. So, okay. The fact I made that a rigid body is why I had a collision to begin with. So let's come back over here. And G is equal to game object. Not. You fix it? Oh, okay. Find, and then I want to search for player. Or I could probably just check the name. Might be easier. If collision dot game object dot name equals to player, then I'm going to do that. I also want to end the game, but we're going to add that on next time where we add on loading in the scenes, like our starting screen or ending screen. If we have time, we're going to add XML in there too, such we'll save off our score history, and then we'll have a feature where you can then look at your history of your scores, or maybe it shows at the end or something. Okay, so let's check, see if I collide with player, and on the, what am I on? The yellow box. Then it increases that. We really want it to end the game too, but save that. And start playing it. And there we go. And we got our score of 1,000 added on there. That part's working. Now, once we get everything working, we want to take our first-person controller, that player, and put it on the far side of the field. Obviously, if you're right at the base, and it's not going to be very fun. Now, to be honest, I don't know. I was having so much fun. Well, I was so pleased after I got that bullet working that I'm not sure what all I added to this. I think I added the sound. This is Western sounds. So let's see if we can find some kind of sound. Let me double check what else I did. Okay, I got my audio source. Guess that was it. Really didn't get as much done as I thought after I spent 3 hours figuring out the bullet issue. Okay. So let's go to our asset store and we'll try to search for some music to play. Actually, there's an audio offsetting right here. There's quite a few audio. Scroll down. I want to set the price. And take that back to 0. I can afford. Absolutely free music. That sounds promising. Quite a few ratings. So go ahead and download that. Game music. Hopefully it has some kind of firing bullet or laser or something. If not, we'll just pick something. And I think the other one I picked piano sound. Western town music. Weird as it sounds, there was no bullet firing. Okay, so now I'm going to import it. I hope they're not all called with love. Hey, I'll import them. Sounds like something I would do. Name them all the same like that. I don't think I remember my sign on to that freesound.com or .org or whatever that site was. Maybe there was no sign on. Oh yeah, yeah. So I'm not playing these games too much because it seems like when I do that, that's when the video dies on Snagit. Kind of slow. Okay. Now I think I'm done with the other Unity game. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it down just so I have a little bit more memory. Assuming Unity returns the memory back once you close it. Okay. And so then here I want the music to play. Here's game music. Now you can come over here after you click on it and you can click this open. Probably can double click it too. No, it's not bad. And then, oh, did it? That's interesting. Ah, okay. Um, well, let me change the volume of that down here. Hopefully, it won't come through horribly loud now. Let's see. Tell me if it's really loud when it comes through, and I'll stop it pretty quick. Half of that? Okay. So let's try that. How's that? Really? Maybe I don't understand the settings here on the audio source. It seems like volume should change the volume. That's weird. Um, Let me see. Let me take a play on Wake off. Try it again. Okay. We won't we won't actually have it turned on in the game, but that's how you add sound in your game. Okay. Now none of these are probably appropriate for firing a bullet, and I haven't saved for a while, so let me just save just to make sure everything's good. And let me see if I can find that website. Free sound. Freesound.org. I bet that was it. I clicked it. There you go. Gunshot. Probably not really a gunshot. Laser. Force 8. I really only want one of those. I'm sure there's a way through Unity where you can just do that, but laser shot silence. That'll work. Assuming I can download it without a sign on. Download. Log in to download. That doesn't sound good. Well, maybe we'll add that part in next time. I might have to find my sign on for that. Is there any questions on what we've done there so far? Oh, okay. Well, next time what we're going to add on is we're going to have our first scene will be our starting game, and click a button, it brings you here. Then when you die or when you get to the prize up there, then we're going to have it end. So we'll have an ending screen, and then if we have time, we'll add in the XML where we'll save off our scores. So that's where we're headed with the game. I'll go ahead and stop there. And stop recording.